Hi, my name is Luis Tulonieta. I'm here with Paxium, and we're happy to introduce you with our JuanaPack, our automatic machine to place pre-rolls into tubes, pop-top tubes, screw-on caps, or trays automatically. The machine can be configured with coming directly from an existing automatic pre-roll machine. You can feed it also directly from your nut boxes, or you can feed the machine with a tray with pre-rolls on it, and the robot would automatically pick and place inside of the package of your choice. Now the machine again will receive your pre-rolls, place them inside of the tube. So the operator, we're gonna be hand loading the empty tubes. The tubes are gonna be indexed. The machine is gonna pick and place the pre-rolls in your desired configuration. Then are gonna introduce them into your package. In this case, it's gonna close the tube. We have the ability to also do your wraparound label, top label, and printing if required. So JuanaPack, very versatile for your end-of-life pre-roll needs.